To make your cup more personalized, printing a thermal cup with UV printer. The thermal cup is one of the essential items in our daily life, but how to make it more personalized? It is a good way to use an UV printer to print patterns on the thermal cup. Compared with the traditional printing methods, UV printer can print on various materials. Through UV printing, you can easily print your favorite patterns on the thermal cup. Moreover, the effect printed by the UV printer is very delicate and colorful, which can well show the texture and layering of the pattern. At the same time, due to the high speed of UV printing, mass customization is also very convenient. In addition, the UV ink is environmentally friendly, non-toxic, and safe. It will not cause harm to human health. In short, printing a thermal cup with UV printer can not only meet individual needs, but also improve the aesthetics of the cup and make it unique.